one of those freak days in that it is so warm out. Yesterday, cold. Today, warm. So I'm going to take advantage of the weather, and I'm going to cut the shit up out of that tree that got sheared off. And maybe get a couple of other things going or done, but I got to get that tree bucked up and get it out of the way. It's been out there all week, so it's about time. And this is a mess in here, but this is all for that stupid ass thing that's winding up being a pain in my ass. But I got some fittings now. I think that'll work in this bag, and go from there. So I'm just gonna let this be for now. Grab these glubbies. So before I get to the tree, I actually need to sharpen up some 20-inch blades because mine are like dead or dull, and I need to sharpen them. So that is the first thing on deck. Clean or sharpen blades, chains, whatever, chainsaws, saw blades, saw chains, something like that. And so I'll be at it. Peace. All right, this is the tree that's coming down, and I may wind up taking some more of these others down here as well, so stay tuned. But this is the first one that's got to go here. This one's gonna come, and I think that one there is gonna come as well. Let's see here. Start chopping shit up. All right. This we can do. Load 2. So I've got this bit left and all this shit, but I'm gonna leave this one for now, but I am gonna take this one down, this guy right here. He's gonna go that way. So that's my next mission. All right, she's gonna go here. Gonna clean that out a little bit in there. Done. Man, a couple of these I couldn't do. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them bastards up in there. Should have done a better job. I had small shit up in here, but I might be able to get 1 or 2 more of these in there, but I'll have to use the gator or the bobcat to pick these. 'Cause there ain't no way I'm doing that one. There ain't no way I'm doing that one. Did I get this one? Yeah, got that one. And that one I tried, it was, that's a big ass piece of wood right there, man. And it's got all knots on the end. That one is a thick, heavy bastard too. This shit ain't dry. It's full of sap, so they aren't light. I might be able to get 1 or 2 of these, but we'll see. But I got 4. Correction, I got 5 of them in there. Eating seeds is the best activity. Toxicity, city. Get down to the end game here. good as a mouse. It's also a dream. Wake up, be a member. One breath, one word, one spark. Alright, my last load for the day. Got all the major stuff out of here. So, tree is gone. Half the top that was laying down here is gone. Got all this loose bullshit left, but people don't realize how much wood there is in a tree, especially a big tree. That was not a small tree. As we will demonstrate here. Pretty good sized tree right there. Was gone. All right on. Well, I had a very physical day today. Cut up basically a whole frickin' huge ass pine tree and hauled it away. And the casualty of today was this. And this is the casualty because yeah, I'm gonna own up to this one. I was just had a shiver. So I was hauling a load of stumps back to the woods to dump, and I took a different path than I normally do. Really, not because I was just brain farting, and the sun was glaring through, so this plexiglass has got a bunch of shit on it, so you can't see through it anyway. The sun was like smack dab right in my eyes, and anyway, long story short, I ran smack dab into a tree right here, and somehow through doing that, even though I got the bar and stuff on here, it frickin' cracked the shit out of that. So I'm gonna have to put one of my fixed jobs onto this thing here now. I don't know how that, man, I'll tell you. But I got that tree down, gone, cut up. Bunch of small shit left out there. And the good news of the day is I finally got the fittings and shit worked out for the pump on the tank here. I'll have that under different wraps. But anyway, hold on. So that makes me happy. Anyway, I'll cover that later. That's it. Peace. Love my family and friends. Protect the Republic. Cheers.